Good day, I'm Theodore Henry, and this is your JIS News for Tuesday, February 11, 2025. Tax Administration Jamaica TAJ has collected $2 billion under the Special Arrears Settlement Program, SASP, since it was launched in January. The program is specially designed to waive interest, penalty, and surcharge IPS accrued if outstanding principal taxes are paid by March 31, 2025. Project lead and general manager at the Montego Bay Revenue Service Center, Keeble Downey, explains that based on assessment, TAJ will be targeting 150,000 persons under the program. He was speaking at a Jamaica Information Service think tank on Friday.
This program is targeting non-government active taxpayers. So we're not covering government agencies, we're covering our non-government. And when we looked at the data, we see that over 150,000 persons can take advantage of this when we look at those who have outstanding principal, interest, surcharge.
Mr. Downey says the program applies to taxpayers with outstanding principal amounts for taxes such as education, corporate income, individual income, asset and partnership income, general consumption, and special consumption.
We have a number of taxpayers that we have identified that our compliance team members are now engaging already, making the phone calls, sending the emails, WhatsApp messages, because these taxpayers would have been taxpayers that we are quite used to dealing with over time. And so we know our taxpayers.
According to Mr. Downey, taxpayers can make multiple payments over time, providing all payments are completed by March 31, 2025. The Special Arrears Settlement Program is focused on outstanding principal taxes up to the 2024 year of assessment and 2025 period of assessment. This means taxpayers will be required to be current with their filing obligations, inclusive of income tax returns and payments due March 17. The National Water Commission (NWC) has reconnected approximately 1,300 customers under its amnesty program since January 2. Another 8,438 customers are scheduled for reconnection this month. Minister with responsibility for water, Matthew Samuda, gave the update on Friday. He was speaking at the groundbreaking ceremony for the $342 million Whitehall to Newmarket water supply system in Westmoreland.
We have invested with this amnesty so far with the customers that are reconnected by giving them back a write-off of $156 million, Prime Minister. And with the other 8,000 plus customers that are awaiting, we are giving back to our citizens a further $500 million.
The amnesty, which goes until the end of March, applies to customers whose water supply have been disconnected for 2 or more years, including pensioners and path beneficiaries. In addition, people who have been disconnected for 6 months and have made payment arrangements will get a 50% reduction. Minister Samuda says based on a needs assessment, these customers may get up to 1 year to make their payments. 6 state-of-the-art X-ray units procured by the Western Regional Health Authority are now being installed at 4 hospitals in the region. Cornwall Regional Hospital in St. James and Falmouth General Hospital in Trelawney will each be fitted with 2 of the units. Meanwhile, Savannah Lamar General Hospital in Westmoreland and the Noel Holmes Hospital in Hanover are receiving 1 each. The units were procured at a cost of $340 million. The update was given by Information Minister Senator Dr. Dana Morris Dixon at last week's post-cabinet press briefing.
This will vastly improve the delivery of service in our health sector and is another demonstration of the government working to improve the quality and efficiency of our healthcare system. And we're very happy to have these.
All X-ray units were procured with service agreements that will ensure the continued and proper function of the machines and reduced downtime. The Ministry of Agriculture, through the Rural Youth Economic Empowerment Program, REAP, is now offering young farmers a chance to compete for a $1 million grant to expand their agricultural enterprises. Portfolio Minister Floyd Green made the announcement during the opening of a new greenhouse at Papine High School in St. Andrew recently. He explained that participants would have the chance to pitch their agricultural businesses to secure the funding. Minister Green is encouraging young farmers who are not yet part of REAP to seize the opportunity to benefit from the training and grants available.
If you already have a farm, you can apply for the REAP Builder, where again we carry through about 6 months of training and give you a grant at the end of that training to expand your agricultural enterprise.
REAP is an entrepreneurial training program organized by the Jamaica 4-H clubs in partnership with the Heart NSTA Trust. For more information on the competition, visit the website jamaica4hclubs.com/RYEEP-program. And finally, Papine High School now has access to a state-of-the-art agricultural facility with the establishment of a greenhouse set up at a cost of $25,000. It was made possible through a grant from the Caribbean Catastrophe Risk Insurance Facility, CCRIF. The greenhouse, which is equipped with a hydroponic system, will provide students with the opportunity to learn about protected agriculture, which also creates avenues for income generation. Agriculture Minister Floyd Green has welcomed the venture as a project that aligns with the ministry's focus on engaging more youth in farming.
So I want to commend Papine High School for recognizing the significance of agriculture, particularly protected agriculture, and that it is critical for the sustainable development of our country, and that there is need for cutting-edge technology at the secondary level of our educational system so that we can create the next generation of agricultural entrepreneurs.
Vice Chairperson of CRIF, Sandra Bailey, is encouraging the students to use the greenhouse to learn as much as they can about agriculture and to immerse themselves in the digitalization of farming.
As our leaders of tomorrow, to grasp as many opportunities that you can realize by pursuing a career in agriculture or becoming innovative agripreneurs.
CRIF is a risk pooling facility that offers insurance to Caribbean governments to help reduce the impact of natural disasters on countries. And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Theodore Henry. Thanks for watching.